Cleaning window screens can be a dreaded, back-breaking, all-day grind. Scrub, rinse, dry, all that wasted time. Gallons of water down the drain. Ever wonder how the pros do it? For decades, window cleaners have trusted Screen Magic for professional results. This footage was created to train window professionals back in 2010.
As the owner of a window cleaning company, I was definitely skeptical of Screen Magic when I first heard about it, but after the first time we used it, we were blown away. Not only does it make our customers super happy with the results, getting screens that look even better than new, but we're able to do it in a fraction of the time. The other nice thing is that because we don't have to corral all the screens into the same area, we know that the screen is going to go right off the window and back onto the right window.
What's the science behind the magic? The emulsions in Screen Magic break down dirt and buildup, while UV inhibitors and glossing agents make screens look like new. Let Screen Magic do the scrubbing for you. Now homeowners can buy Screen Magic, the same formula window cleaning professionals have trusted for decades. It works on standard window screens, sliding screen doors, retractable screens, security screens, screened patios, pool cages, and more. Never scrub a screen again. Clean window screens like a pro. Screen Magic. No rinsing, no scrubbing. Just spray it on and you're done. Go to ScreenMagicUSA.com. Available at these select locations: Ace, Amazon, the Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart.